Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold, guys. What are we doing on gold? So I'm just gonna do my recap on gold before we go to our today's analysis, right? So I think when I analyze gold was around this area right here. And first of all, I predicted gold to at least push to my 2018 800, and I said that if you're going on a down move on gold, I predicted it to like 2018 800 for a down move, and I said that if you're going to continue to push to the upside on gold, then my prediction, my TP for buy will be 2039.325, and I said if we still see more momentum of buy when we get to my negative 27% fib level, that we might actually push up to my 2044.390, which is my negative 61.8% fib level right there. And that is also like a touch of trend line, which is like a resistance, right? Resistance trend line. So I said there's a possibility for us to either do either both, and we can see that we haven't pushed up to hit our target right above that level right here, but we certainly pushed down to hit our sell target, which is 2018.800, just as predicted, right? And so now I'm just gonna delete my previous analysis on gold, guys, and just analyze gold based on the current price market so that we can know our overall thought on gold. Let's see, delete this as well. I'm gonna delete the trend lines just for us to be able to have more fresh scenario on gold. So now I'm going to go to my bigger time frame just like I used to do, just for me to see like a bigger time frame picture on gold, guys. So as you can see on gold, I'm still predicting gold to push to the downside. Based on what we are seeing, I'm seeing some sort of like an impulse, a correction, and a sort of a continuation to push to the downside on gold. Let me go to right here. We can see that I'm still predicting gold to push to my 1993.436, just as predicted. I said there's a possibility for us to push down there because I'm still expecting some sort of a sell on gold. As you can see, this is the daily time frame right here. This is our daily time frame, and if I zoom in a little bit, we can see that we had this engulfing impulsive candle, so now we are pushing a little bit up for a retracement, and we can see that we are currently retracing around my 23.6% fib level, which is a continuation fib level. So I'm predicting a continuation to at least my first target, just as I mentioned, right around here. So overall, we are on sell on gold, guys, but there is still a possibility for us to actually just tank a little bit to the upside. We might tank a little bit to the upside, just like I said on my previous analysis, before we continue to tank to the downside. So that's a possibility that I am seeing, so that we might have a possible third touch. We can see this is one touch here, second touch here, third touch here, then a possible fourth touch here before we continue to sink to the downside, because I'm still predicting my TP for overall down direction right there. So let's see if I can just use my fib right here from point A to point B, something like this, and let's see how the market plays out. So we can see using our fib level for this minor structure right here. So having, let me change the color, having some sort of like an impulse, a correction, a continuation. This is a minor direction for like our overall direction for this particular target right here. Hope I'm not confusing you guys. So now let's see, we can see that and like just because I'm predicting us to push to the upside for a trend line touch right here, there is a possibility for push up around this area right here, like I said, for us to touch. So I'm just gonna draw some sort of a trend line just to show that we are currently on an uptrend, just as we are seeing right here. So I still see it pushing up a little bit as mentioned. So we can see, let me go to my solar time frame. What are we looking for? My first TP will certainly be around this trend line right here, which is 140 right here, and my second TP will be around here if you're gonna push. So we might just push up a little bit to break up around this area right here. So we have 13.7. That's my first TP on so right here. So first TP will be here, second TP will certainly be here, let's see, it'll be here. Let's change the color to red. That will be my second TP right around here. But if you continue to just push to the downside, right, certainly my TP for my down move, just like I mentioned, is here. So this is my next target on for my down move on gold, guys. That is my next target. But like I said, let's see how the market plays out. We might get to this touch right here to start rejecting around that touch for us to continue to push to the downside, give us the reversal pattern around the trend line right here for us to continue to push to the downside, right? Or we might just break this zone right here, retest the zone, retest a zone before we continue to push to the downside to my target right here. So just because my target is a little bit further, I'm gonna just push it a little bit. So let's see, 435. Let's just see, 435. So we can see that that is where I'm sort of predicting my next sell TP on gold, guys. Let's see how the market plays. So this is my scenarios right here. Let me go to much smaller time frame and see. We can see that the market is still giving us an uptrend. So I'm a little bit more biased towards a buy right now, even despite the fact that overall we are on a sell move. We can see that we had this counter trend line right here, broken, come back to retest, give me this sort of like engulfing candle right here, come back down to retest around this area right here. So like I said, there's a possibility for us to push up. It just shows more confluence for us to actually push up right here. Right here we can see that I'm seeing more confluence of buy right now, but we know the market can still do what the heck it wants to do. So let's see, if we want to buy or sell right here, let's see some sort of like a break, a sort of like a retest, then possibly continue to push to round around this area. So those are my thoughts, guys, on gold, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I will see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.